everybody, and welcome back to the amazing show of Henry Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria, and a lot more about the course. Today in frame, we have Rohit with us, who's going to tell us about the financial statement analysis course that we provide. So, hi Rohit, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also great, thank you. So, Rohit, tell me what exactly is financial statement analysis?
So, financial statement analysis course is totally based upon a tool that is told to you. With the help of that tool, you will be able to analyze the finances of a company.
Okay.
And when you understand the finances of a company, it becomes very easy for a company to take care of all the finances. And every company requires someone who look all the finances, what is going, what is like coming, right?
Yes.
So all those things are taken care in this course.
Okay. So is there any particular eligibility criteria or any limitations that are there for this course?
No, there is no such limitation or there is no such criteria. If someone is from finance background, that's a plus point.
Okay.
But if you are not from a finance background, that's totally okay, because this course that we are telling you, we will teaching you, it will be taught to you from a scratch.
Okay.
And you can start your career from here by learning this course.
Okay, so because we teach from scratch to the end, there's no eligibility criteria for it, but preferred domain is accounts. That would be more preferable, and that would be a plus point.
Plus point.
Okay, so is there any, tell me about the job opportunities and job roles that may open up after the completion of the course.
So, when you complete this course, you are eligible to become a financial analyst.
Okay.
Okay, you can work as a senior accountant, junior accountant, manager, depend on your past experiences. Okay. And even when you are a fresher, you will be working as an executive. When you learn, you become accountant, then manager. So process by process, things will go, and there's a huge scope because things are there.
Okay. So tell me about the accreditations and affiliations that Henry Harvin has.
Okay. So I believe if you are aware, let me tell you again. So we have been affiliated by UK CERT, UKF. Okay, we have been affiliated by American Association of EFL, Ministry of Home Affairs. ISO certified we are. So whatever the certification you are getting, it is globally accepted. That's a very plus point if you're doing this course with us.
That's a very big thing, because our certificate is worldwide accepted and we are nationally and internationally accredited with the big companies. So my last question to you, what is the duration for this course?
Duration is 16 hours.
Okay, so a 16-hour course, and you are good to go with the financial analysis, financial statement analysis course. That's amazing, guys. So many highlight points, and still you are not enrolled for this amazing course. Thank you so much, Rohit, for coming and joining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Henry Harvin. Thank you.